This is a video tutorial to how to grade the marks on the exam center. So if you need to grade the marks on the exam center, you need to go to the ccbst/exam center and then you need to log in with your credentials. Once you have logged in, you can go to the respective module for which you need to grade the exam. Suppose you want to grade the exam of customer service module, then you can click on the customer service exam and then go to the exam which you want to grade. Suppose you are grading the final exam, so you need to click on the final exam and then find the attempts of the student in this attempts button. So if you click on the attempts button, all of the students who have attempted the question would be visible over here. Right now only one student have attempted this exam, so you would see only one student over here. Now you can scroll to find the total number of questions in this attempt. So you can see that there are 28 questions in this exam and students have answered all of it. Now point to note here is that the MCQ questions are automatically graded by the exam center based on the answers pre-feeded into the questions. So suppose student have answered the MCQ correctly, then it would take the 100 marks assigned to that question, and if it marks incorrectly, then it would assign 0 marks to that question. Now you have seen that question number from 28th to 6th are all graded. In order to grade the theory question from 1 to 5, you can click on the review attempt. Now once you have clicked on the review attempt, the question paper of the student will open. Now you need to manually grade this one. So for question number 2, you can see the answer over here, and then if you find it correct, then you can click on this make comment override mark and then you can assign the mark over here and then click save. Once you have assigned the marks, then you can see that you would see the comment manually graded 5. So you need to manually grade each of those 5 questions. Once you have graded all the theory questions, then you can scroll over to the scroll to the below of the screen and then you need to submit your review. So you would click on finish review. Now in order to check whether the marks have been assigned to the student or not, you would again go to the attempt and scroll down below. Now you would see the total grade scored by the student. So the student have scored 88 marks. So this is how you grade the exam.